Hey guys, so this is my very first video on YouTube. The intent behind the video is explain the challenges that I have faced during the development of many Power BI reports and dashboards in my career, and just thought that it may help others. The time that I have spent on the problems and challenges that I've faced, it may help others and maybe save their time. So I have a list of the problem statements that I have recorded with me. So I'm gonna pick one by one and we'll show you one by one in each video. So for this video, I have a problem which is related to connecting to the SharePoint. So I faced this problem with Power BI when I first, that was my very first time when I was trying to connect to a SharePoint Excel, an Excel which is kept on the SharePoint. Okay, I was trying to connect it and I faced some weird errors, and but eventually I found out a solution which I'm going to share it with you. So here is my Power BI. Okay, and I'm gonna open my SharePoint. If you can see, this is my Excel which is kept at my SharePoint location. So what we do usually to connect to the SharePoint, first I'm going to go hit get data, and then there is a web connector. Just click on the web connector. So here you have to enter the URL of the file that you want to access to. So the URL of the file is, what we generally do is either we copy link from here or we go here and copy link from here, and here's the link. I've copied the link. So this is the link to this file, right? So I've copied it and I'm pasting the link. One thing that you want to do in this is you want to trim the path till this question mark. This is some garbage data that we get in this URL. Now a URL looks like this. So I'm just gonna paste it in a notepad so that I can show you the comparison. Here's my notepad, and this is the address that I've copied from SharePoint. So I've copied an address and kept it here and hit OK. And I see this error. Okay, we encountered an error while trying to connect. So this is an error which is actually, it's not so clear what was the error, but what I could find out is there is a difference in the path which we get from the SharePoint directly and which we get from the desktop version of the Excel, which I'm going to show you. So what I'll do, I'll hit edit so that I don't have to go to get data again. Now I'm going to go back to my SharePoint and I'm going to open this Excel. Okay, now I'm going to open it in my desktop version. Here's my Excel, which is open in desktop. Click File, right click on Open File Location, the right bottom, copy this path. Alright, I'm going to paste this path in the notepad where I pasted the other path. This is our new path. Remember, this path does not include the name of the file itself. So you have to append it manually. / name the file. My file is book.xlsx. Now this path is completed. Okay, let's try with this path now in Power BI. Get data. Again, hit web. Paste it. Okay. And bam, we got the data. All right. So you might be wondering what is the difference between why it happened, why it didn't happen in the first go when we were trying directly from the link that we copied from the SharePoint itself. So basically, you can see there is some difference in the format of the URL. Again, there is another difference is this instead of space, there's %20. It should be a fine and valid path, but due to some reason, it's not. So my workaround for this is get the direct path of the file from open its desktop version, get it from there. It works for you. So that was my tip, okay, for such connections. Um, if you have any query or if you faced any challenge or you're facing any problem connecting to some other data sources, you can just write it in the comment section. I will check if it is there in my list. I will right away give you the solution. If it is not, then I'll try to find out the solution for you. Thanks for watching it. I hope it helps people out there because I have spent at least quite a good amount of time finding out the solutions for such problems. So thank you. Like my page if you want and subscribe if you want to get the latest notifications. And bear with me, it is my first video. So thanks a lot. Thank you. Thanks for watching.